everybody, welcome back to my channel, Makeup and More with Melissa. It's good to see you. Hope you all had a wonderful and exciting 4th of July and got to eat a lot of hamburgers and hot dogs. I know we did. This should be a rather painless and quick video, hopefully. The point of the video, or the name of the video, is what's in my 1000 Sephora Fantasy Basket tag. And it has been trending around the YouTube video world, and it originated with Emily Noel, and I decided that I would give it a whirl and thought I would have a little bit of fun with it. So if you are interested to see what I would buy with my $1,000 of fantasy money at Sephora, then please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and that you hit the notification bell, and that way you know each time that I upload a video. So if you are interested in this video, then let's get into it. So I've had a couple of days to think about it, and the first thing that actually came to my mind, which I probably could have knocked the $1,000 right out of the ballpark straight away, was the Dyson products. I have always wanted the Dyson products. The hair dryer really blows my mind. I'd love it to blow dry my hair. I've heard some really great things about it, and I really would have loved to try it. It's always been out of my price range, so I would have picked all of those, and that would have just made up my complete Sephora list. But I didn't. I behaved. I only picked one Dyson product, and that I don't even think is actually in stores yet. I picked the Correll hair straightener because I am always straightening my hair. I have very naturally curly hair, and I actually like to have it straightened because it's a little bit less frizzy when it's straightened. And the Dyson says that it helps control the frizz, and there were some really good reviews on it. So I thought, wow, I would really love to get that if I had $1,000 to use at Sephora. $4.99 is way out of my price range, so it's not something, unless I won the lottery or became a rich person, that's just not gonna happen. So unless Dyson wants to let me try one of their products, and I'll do a review for it. But yeah, I'll just keep dreaming about it. But so that was definitely something that interested me. So I put it in my basket. Okay, and then I have to tell you that like the majority of my basket is palettes. Yes, palettes. Like, I don't already have enough palettes, but what actually catches me is it's the colors. That's what grabs me. I think that's why I love lipstick and palettes. I don't know what it is. It's color, and I love color. So several of the items are in my basket are palettes. The first one that I picked is the Viseart. I've been collecting Viseart palettes for quite some time. This one is, I'm not quite sure how you say the name. April? I don't know if there's any specific way to say it. April Spritz eyeshadow palette. And it interests me because it's just a bunch of beautiful coral and bronze and just beautiful colors that I would love to have for the summer. I love coral. It's one of my favorite colors. Coral orange, love it. So, and it's $39, which that's usual for Viseart's palettes of these size. And their palettes are beautiful. They are well pigmented. I have several of them. So adding this one to my repertoire of my collection here, I would definitely consider even really buying it if I had the money. So, and who knows, we'll see. But that is on my list. So that is one of the first palettes that I saw that grabbed me. It was those two bright coral colors there. And then something else that I had wanted to try is the Fenty Beauty Slip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipsticks. And again, matched with that Viseart palette, they have a beautiful color called Tang Thing, and it kind of reminded me of the drink. What was the drink? Tang? And maybe that's where they got the name. I don't know. But it's that red orange color, and I just thought between that and the Viseart palette, it would be beautiful. So I picked one of those out to go with that Viseart. And then I figured if I liked those, I'd always be able to go back. And they are $22 a piece. So not too bad for Fenty. Okay, so moving on. The next item on my list is an item I saw. I think it was, and I could be wrong, I think it was Mariah Leonard who used this palette in a look. It's Pat McGrath Mothership Eyeshadow Palette, the Sublime Palette. And I believe it was Mariah that did it. Like I said, it could be wrong, but it just, the colors, when she showed them, because I screenshotted maybe it wasn't this one. I have two down here. Maybe it was the Midnight Sun. It was one of them. It was either the Midnight Sun or the other one. And I think it was Mariah Leonard. All I know is I took a screenshot of it because when she used it, it was so pretty. So I have two Pat McGraths on my list, and they're $125 a piece. So I have the Midnight Sun. There's just something about that palette, and the picture of that blue on the eye of that model is just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. But the colors look so beautiful. So yeah, so I have the Midnight Sun and the Sublime palette. They both look absolutely beautiful. The green in the Sublime palette with the mauves, just it's so pretty. I don't know if I'll ever, again, they're kind of like the Dyson hair products. I don't know if it's something I'll ever actually attain. Maybe for Christmas or something. I'll just sit and drool. Or I'll have to be good and save my pennies. Next item besides those two just recently came out, and since I love the bronze stuff, the bronze colors, I'm always going towards bronze, corals, I decided to put it on my list. It's a brand new palette from Natasha De Nonna. It came out recently. It's the Bronze Eyeshadow Palette. And the colors just looked really, really pretty. Nothing else really interested me in the collection. Just the palette really caught my eye. So I put that on my list. Just some really pretty swatches there. I'm thinking I might actually get that. Maybe. I'm not sure. I don't know. But it's only I shouldn't say it's only. It's $65, which is still above my price range right now. So I intend to pick one item, and then maybe I'll do a review on that one item. We'll see. So then next, I have a distinct loyalty to Urban Decay, and they just came out with their Naked Ultraviolet Eyeshadow Palette. And looking at it, it's intriguing. And I find it intriguing because it's almost like two palettes in one. It's got to me, it's got half purples and half nudes. That's what and it's split in half with a green. That's what it makes me think of. I don't know why I think of it that way. So that's kind of interesting. So I picked that one out in my fantasy $1,000 because I'd have to see that, and of course I'd have to. I'm so loyal. I've got almost, I think, all of Urban Decay's palettes, so I'd have to add this one to my collection. I have other purple palettes, but this one just looks unique in that, I don't know, you could do interesting things with it, with these colors. Some of the models, and there's a couple of unique tones in the purples that are interesting, that make me want to see it. Yeah, I might have to go to the store and look at it. But yeah, so that is $49. So we're getting close to the top of the $1,000 here. Okay. And I think this is my last item on my list. Is I've never tried the Tatcha water, the Tatcha items, I should say. I have never actually tried any of the products. And I was kind of torn between trying the primer, or one of the water creams. Because I know that one of the water creams just came out, is new. And I think that's the green one, if I'm correct. And I do have two like primer putties. I have one from e.l.f. and one from Hard Candy, and I've been hearing that it is very similar to the Tatcha ones. So thinking about that fact, if I have two that are similar already to the Tatcha primer, poreless primer putty, whatever, then I edge towards, well, I'll try the cream. So I decided to go with the cream, and then I kind of had to do I think it was the green one that is the new one, the water cream. So I picked the green one. So that brought my total to an estimated total amount of $992. So that's what I got with my fantasy $1,000. I do intend to make a purchase. I am not sure what I will pick up yet. If you would like to see a follow-up on what I do pick out, please let me know. Do comment in the comment box, and I will let you know what I do get. And that's about it. Let me know if you decide to do this tag, or you decide to even just do this what's in my 1,000. It's such a great idea. It's kind of like fantasy football or fantasy baseball the guys do. What a great idea, Emily. It was a really good idea. So I thought, yeah, what a great tag. So I had fun doing it. It was fun picking it out. So anyway, again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hop on over and subscribe to it. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much. Until then, bye-bye.